Next to the search, we have our filter, where you can cut down the visibility of your list based on specific things that you're looking for. Once you select different filters from the list and hit apply, anything that doesn't match will be hidden from view. The incidents are still there, but you just won't see them. The view filter can be used to see only the incidents you own, or if you're a supervisor, incidents sent to the people you supervise. The type is used to select all incidents with the same name. You can also select a category, which will include all incident types within it. The state allows you to select one or more incident states, except for the closed state, since those types of incidents do not show up in the list. Location is the source entity for the incident, and you can reduce the list based on the priority as well. There are checkboxes to look for incidents within a certain trigger time range. If you leave one of the boxes unchecked, it will basically consider that as unlimited. For example, if I want to see everything up to a certain date, I would leave the From box unchecked and put the date in the To field. If you want to add more entries to a certain filter category, click on the plus icon next to the one you've added already, then click the Add an Item icon below it. Click on the X to remove a filter criteria, and hit Apply when you've selected everything you want to filter on. You also have the Clear button on the bottom to see everything again. Once you have a filter applied, the filter will have a small number in red next to it telling you how many filter categories have been applied, and your active incident count will show you the number you are seeing out of the total number of active incidents you can normally see. For example, if I filter my list to only see critical and high priority incidents, I will still have a 1 next to my filter since these are both priorities, and that is one category of filter. A nice feature in the filters is the ability to save and load templates. Once you have your filter set up the way you want, click on the Template button and you can choose Save As to give the template a name. You will also see the existing templates to make sure this isn't a duplicate, and will need to choose if you want this to be a private or public template. If this is a useful template that you can see a lot of people on your team needing, you can save it as public, and the next time someone logs in, they will see the new public template. You can also make changes to it and save it from the template menu, or manage the templates you have access to. If you have saved your filter configurations as a template, when you hit Apply, you'll see the name of the template instead of the number of categories applied.